Good day my friends, in this video I will show you one unique feature of this watch, and that is the preset timer. This is a Casio AE1300 and it has a countdown timer but different from the other watches. So first let's move to the timer mode or the preset timer mode, and okay, press the mode button 2 times and now we are here, the timer mode. It has several presets, so you can select from 10 minutes and then 12 minutes and so on, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and then back to 10 minutes. To start the timer, just press the start button like this, and then to pause the timer, just press again the start button and it will pause. And then if you want to continue the timer again, just press again the start button and it will count down up to 0. And after 0, what will happen? So there are two things that can happen. If you set the auto repeat, it will restart again the countdown. So for example, this is a 10 minutes timer, so if it reach 0, it will start again from 10 minutes. But if you don't set as an auto repeat, it will do other things that's also unique with this watch. Okay, so now I will stop this timer and then reset. Okay, if you want to activate the auto repeat feature that I told you earlier, you can press and hold the adjust button like this. And now as you can see here, we have the small icon that shows auto repeat. If you want to deactivate the auto repeat, also press and hold the adjust button like this. Okay, now we're back to timer without auto repeat. And as I told you that this preset timer also have a unique thing with it, so I will show you, and I will run the 10 minutes timer and then I will show you what happens after it count to 0. So no auto repeat, only preset timer, and this is 10 minutes. Start, and I will leave the watch now and return again after it almost reached 0. Okay, we're back and it's almost 0. Let's see, in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the timer beeps, and after that it shows another numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 seconds. So it shows the seconds or the time elapsed after the countdown finished. And what is that for? Okay, so maybe if you're a referee to a soccer match, you can set the timer at 45 minutes and you can use this feature to control the injury time. So for example, if the injury time is 2 minutes, then you can just check if it reached 2 minutes after the countdown finished, then you can stop the match. I think that's one of the use of this feature, and it's very unique. It's difficult to find this kind of feature in another watch. Okay, one more thing. To stop this timer feature, you can press the start button to stop and then the adjust button to reset. So yes, this watch has unique feature for the preset timers. It has several presets that you can select, and also it will continue with the calculation of time after the preset finished if you don't activate the auto repeat. Okay, I think that's all for this video. I hope this is useful to explain about the timer function in this watch, and see you again in the next video. Bye.